Hello and welcome to Lesson 2 of Admin Order Modifier for WooCommerce. Modifying order details, core adjustments. That we will demonstrate how to effectively manage orders, update order details, and perform bulk actions to streamline your workflow. Let's explore how to edit the details of an individual order. Open an order by clicking on it, and from the orders, we will see the section for billing details, shipping address, and the status of the order, the customer detail, and the date created. We can change the billing detail by clicking on this edit option. We can change the first name, last name, address, city, and we can change the payment method here if we have created one. You can also change the shipping address by clicking on this edit option, and you can change the first name, last name, company, address, city, postal code, country, state of the country, phone number, and customer note. If you want to change the status of the order, click on this drop down. You can change the status in a pending payment, processing, complete, canceled, refunded, or you can choose your desired option from here. If you want to change the date created, you can click on this date option and change the date from here. When you scroll down, you can see the information about the item added, and you can see the cost, inclusive, total inclusive, the cost, the quantity, and total. And below that you can see the shipping price also. If you want to edit this item, you can click on this edit option here. You can change the cost price and total cost item here. You can also change the quantity. You can also include the tags here. You can rename the shipping tag here by clicking on this. You can change the shipping method into flat rate, free shipping, local pickup, or other. You can choose your desired option from here. You can rename the item you have selected above, and you can add the tags here. After doing this, when you scroll down, click on Save. As you can see that the item's subtotal will change, and the coupon is added, and the shipping price is also changed, and the order total price will be changed. And if you want to apply the coupon, you can click on Apply Coupon, and you can add the code here. If you have set up a coupon in the marketing section, you can apply the coupon here. Issuing refunds works in the same way as a usual refund. Except, again, there's an editable input box where you can enter a refund portion of the line item cost, using a tax-inclusive amount or the refund quantity-based amount. For example, if a client ordered 2 of an item, but 1 is refunded. If you want to do it, click on this refund option here. You can enter the refund amount here, and after that you can click on Refund manually. By that the amount will be refunded to the client. For each product line, there's an info icon that you can click and which displays small pop-up information about the specific line item so that you can quickly view additional product info without leaving the edit order. This pop-up has 2 tabs, Info and Description. The Info tab shows the basic price and stock information, and the Description tab provides a short summary of the product. Click X on the top of the right corner to close the pop-up. On the right side, we have an order notes section where you can keep a track of updates, add notes, choose whether it is private or note to the customer, and you can also edit the description of the product in the order item section. By that, we can manage orders with the Admin Order Modifier plugin. By leveraging these tools, we can save time, streamline your workflow, and provide a better experience for your customer. That wraps up Lesson 2 of Admin Order Modifier for WooCommerce. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.